A brief history of the periodic table. Here is the evolution of the periodic table of elements. It first began with many scientists organizing the elements in different ways. These ways had various flaws, as well as there was no unified system that everyone was using. Mendeleev organized the elements by atomic mass. He organized them into rows and columns according to their physical and chemical properties. Some holes were left in places that they didn't know an element that fit that pattern. More elements were discovered, and those elements fit in the holes Mendeleev had left. Elements were later reorganized by atomic number. This caused a couple of elements to switch places, but overall left the periodic table as Mendeleev had designed it. How is the table organized? The periodic table is the most frequently used tool by chemists. The elements are organized by increasing atomic number. The atomic number identifies the number of protons, which gives the identity to the atom. Every element has a different number of protons. The periodic table is made of columns, called groups or families, and rows called periods. Most periodic tables include atomic number, element name, and symbol, along with the atom's mass. They may be shown in a different order or different places within the element square. The stair steps separate the metals from the nonmetals. Some elements touching the stair step are known as metalloids. Metals and nonmetals have different properties. For example, metals have high electrical conductivity, high melting points, and are malleable and ductile. Nonmetals have low electrical conductivity, low melting points, and are brittle. Metalloids have a blend of the properties of metals and nonmetals. How to memorize the most common elements on the periodic table. Use a mnemonic, a sentence containing the symbols of the first 20 elements in order. Happy Henry, the little beach boy, can do fine. Naughty Megan, the alpine sister, pretends to ski at Clark Canyon. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.